Hollywood celebrities have been bashing President Donald Trump since day one. The entitled liberals never say a ass in their arrogant tirade. Perhaps most notably is Meryl Streep, who called out the president before millions of TV viewers. However, after so many months of attacks, the once beloved actress is feeling the pain. Americans have spoken, and they're not pleased. Meryl Streep, left has been outspoken against President Donald Trump right throughout the year. Photo credit, screenshot, YouTube, Simon Edelman, Energy Department, Flickr. Many Hollywood actors are outspoken about their politics. Usually, they're liberal. They demand we all pay attention to their toxic and idiotic views. They even expect us to obey them when they tell us to vote a certain way. This has never been true even in the age of Trump. Liberal actors ramp against the president, they pretend they are far more virtuous than the man who puts this business to lead the country. While accepting an award, Meryl Streep called out the leader of the free world. She attacked him for mocking a disabled reporter, even though that accusation was debunked months earlier. Still, she used it an accuse to criticize our new president. But now the table have turned. Thanks to the ongoing scandal in Hollywood, people are questioning Streep's honesty. Her close relationship with Predator Harvey Weinstein has us wondering how could she have not known. Now, a new poll has come out, and guess what, Ms. Streep has a lower approval rating than President Trump. That's got to hurt. After a 40-year career, 3 Oscars, and nearly achieving something close to sainthood status due to her anti-Trump activism, Meryl Streep's fall from grace over the Harvey scandal is near complete. A new poll shows that her reputation is in tatters, and that no one with any sense believes she knew nothing about the alleged predation of Harvey Weinstein, a man she once called God. Source: Breitbart. You have to believe that the millions of conservative in America are sick of Streep. She has continued to slander the man they elected president. Instead of simply making movies people love, she got political. That's not a good way to win people over, Meryl, but things got really sticky after the Weinstein scandal. We learned that the producer was assaulting women for years. Meanwhile, Streep was a good friend of his. When the news broke that her raped multiple actress, she claimed she knew nothing. Really? She knew the man for many years. Many people said his behavior was an open secret, so how could Streep not know? All of this came back to haunt Streep earlier this year when she used the occasion of the Golden Globe to lie about President Trump mocking the disability of a dishonest reporter. Standing before the country wrapped in her own virtue, Streep savaged our new president for something he did not do. Another piece of videotape that came back to haunt Streep was her 2012 proclamation that accused serial rapist Harvey Weinstein is a god, this declaring of Weinstein God flies
directly in the face of Streep's dissembling response to actress Rose McGowan, one of the few heroes of the
Weinstein's alleged crimes act of disrespect. Source: Breitbart. The news continue to get worse for Streep. Her attacks on the president, in light of her friendship with Weinstein, only made things worse. How can she criticize Trump for something he didn't do, while praising a man who is accused of raping many women? All of this has resulted in a negative view towards the woman. Celebrity branding expert Jitender Sedef solicit opinion twice a year about the rich and famous from 2,000 randomly selected adults across America as part of an ongoing study established in 2012. ASID 58% of those surveyed in October on attitude to the Weinstein controversy now feel negatively towards the once beloved Streep following her initial denials. Source: Yahoo. Most polls have President Trump sitting much higher than that. Even with the biased nature of polling, the POTU is getting better results than the embattled actress. That really tell you something, according to CDEV, most people are turned off by the woman's political activism. Do Americans enjoy seeing strip in movies? We aren't interested in her bloated opinion, especially when it's obvious that she is willing to protect men, simply because they are liberal. What will it take for Meryl to repair her image? I doubt she will ever come around on Trump, but there might be a few things she can do. She needs to prove to her fans that she's not the loudmouth, empty-headed hypocrite they think she is. But can she do that? CDEV added, Strips claims that she didn't know her ludicrous and the kiss of death for her image in Hollywood. Strip needs to apologize to her fans for not telling the truth, CDEV told Yahoo News. And perhaps explain what pressure she was feeling to make such a public statement to begin with. Source: Breitbart will probably not see that anytime soon. Liberals are notoriously arrogant. Hell might freeze over before one of them admits they were wrong. Share the story and leave a comment by clicking one of the buttons below. Follow us on Facebook at Mad World News. Donald Trump, Harvey Weinstein, Meryl Streep, Rose McGowan.